Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your location onto the Mobile Legends game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Mobile Legends game on your device, and once it is opened up, you will end up on the main menu. Tap on your profile icon at the top left corner and you will be taken to your profile page. Now within your profile page, if you don't already have your location added, then alongside your level, you will simply see the globe icon. You can tap on this globe icon and you will see the various regions and locations that you can choose. Go ahead and tap on your preferred location or region, and as soon as you tap on the region, your location will be changed after you tap on the OK button. You will also be given a warning that you will have to wait for 3 months before you are allowed to change your location once again. Go ahead and tap on OK, and this will confirm your location change and the game will restart, after which your location will be added and changed to the new one right away. And there you have it. That is how you can add your location on the Mobile Legends game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.